Welcome back to the Mother-Daughter Diaries. Today, we're starting our Fridge Forager series. In this first episode, we're showing you how to turn those extra carrots into a creamy, delicious vegan carrot sauce pasta. Ingredients you'll need. For this recipe, grab 3 to 4 medium carrots, some cashews, olive oil, garlic, and your choice of pasta. You'll also need an onion, chili flakes, black pepper, salt, any spice mix you like, and a bit of water. Step 1. Making the sauce. First, let's prep the sauce. Peel and chop your carrots into blocks and peel your garlic cloves. Bring some salted water to a boil, toss in the carrots and let them cook until tender. While the carrots are boiling, soak your cashews in hot water to soften them up.
A few moments later.
Once the carrots are ready, transfer them to a blender along with the soaked cashews, a clove of garlic, a splash of olive oil, salt and pepper. Blend it all together until you have a perfectly smooth, creamy texture. Sauté some chopped garlic in olive oil. Then pour in that vibrant carrot mixture. Stir it frequently so it cooks evenly with the garlic and oil. Add in your chili flakes and spice mix and let it simmer. For the pasta, use the same water you used to boil the carrots, just add a little more salt and olive oil. Boil your pasta until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta finishes, finely chop an onion and sauté it in a separate pan with olive oil and salt. Until it's soft, but still has a bit of crunch.
A few moments later.
Step 3. Bringing it all together. Finally, plate your pasta, pour over that rich carrot sauce, top it with the sautéed onions, and give it a good mix. It looks beautiful, tastes even better, and is the perfect way to use up those carrots.